Can I say? Okay. Thank you for. I'm very happy to introduce our product and universal remote control for 100, 200, 500. I came from Korea and uh, this device is working by Bluetooth and IR and Wi-Fi and the Metal. Uh, and most of customer has got a remote control for TV and video, a lot of by device by device, but our device can control all of device. It has about 5,000 data library inside, and the customer can develop the program easily because it is a library inside. And 2.4-inch full color touch screen and IR learning function, everything. And set up 80 favorite channel as well. Okay, operating this device charging the USB-C type for 2,500 mAh rechargeable battery, and then is working in about 3 weeks, depend on a customer.